Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to share others TikTok videos on my TikTok account. First of all, make sure that you are using the latest version of the TikTok application. For that, open the Play Store and search for TikTok. Tap on the update button if needed and wait for it to download. Once the loading has been completed, close it. So open the TikTok application and look for the video that you want to upload to your account. Tap on the share icon available at the bottom right side. Here you will see different options to share your video, but you have to tap on the repost option. A message will appear to tell you that this post will now appear on your profile. Tap on OK to proceed and this video will be posted on your account. You will also see this "You reposted" message under the video here. Next, if you want to view it on your profile, then navigate to the profile section from the bottom. On the profile page you will see different tabs. Tap on the third tab, that is the double arrow icon, and here you will find all your reposts. So this is how you can share others TikTok videos on your TikTok account.